to fix Instagram group chat not working on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open your settings of your phone. Then when setting is open, what you gonna do right now, just you will go directly to apps, and on apps you will search for Instagram application. As you see here, Instagram, you will click, and then you will go to uh, storage, and you will click clear data and click OK. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.